Hi guys, my modified bat helicopter thing flew up and down the kitchen okay when we put a tube on it and attached it to a line. So I'm going to do something similar with this rubber band powered aeroplane. I should be able to glue a little bit of drinking straw on the top of the tail there, or tape it. I have to put something up here so we can have a bit of drinking straw about this height so it misses the propeller, and then we'll see if we can fly that up and down the kitchen. Well, that works. Just a couple of bits of drinking straw glued onto the rubber band powered aeroplane, and then a bit of kite string stretched from one end of my kitchen to the other end, as horizontal as I can make it so it's not going uphill or downhill. And it works fine, and we can get some nice camera shots out of it too. Quite pleased with that.